Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show you some hair that I got from Lemoda hair on AliExpress. Yes, this company used to be Lemoda, but they go by Lemoda now. I have some bomb hair in this box, you guys, that I want to show you. So definitely keep on watching if you want to see what I got. So if you guys been following me for a while, you know I've been reviewing for Lemoda for about 3 years. I love Lemoda. They're like my top 3 favorite vendors on AliExpress. Their customer service is bomb. Like the hair is bomb. Like everything is just all good with me with Lemoda. But like I said, they now go by Lemoda. With the new name and logo and everything, they do have new packaging, and I really love that. It's a box here, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys what they sent me. They sent me a wig cap here, a mesh wig cap, and here are the contents of the box. I got Malaysian Loose Deep this time. They sent me an 18-inch Loose Deep closure. So I didn't get a frontal this time. This is a closure. And I have 4 bundles of hair. So you guys know the longest I usually wear is like, what, 24 inches. This time they sent me a 26. It's about to be laying, honey. So I got a 26. It's just balled up in the net right here. A 24. A 22. And a 20-inch. Layers, honey, layers. Okay, y'all done dropped all the hair, but I'm gonna open the 26 and 24 because I'm gonna show you guys, you know, what the hair is looking like. It all looked the exact same, so I'm gonna just show you 2 bundles and of course the closure. Let me go ahead and take that net off. So this is how it looks. This is a 24-inch. So that is a very springy, pretty bundle. Really nice. It is double wefted. And you guys know how Lemoda do. Their bundles are really soft and the wefts look really good. The beards are a little short on the 26 or the 24-inch bundle. That's one thing I did notice versus the other bundles, but it's still really nice. Look at that. Y'all, I cannot wait to slay and lay this hair, honey. No tension whatsoever. Just gliding through the bundles. Gliding through it, honey. Look at that. So this is that hair that looks like it's wand curled already. So you pretty much kind of just wash it and air dry it and go. And it's supposed to kind of keep this curl pattern from what I've seen. And from what I remember from wearing this hair like years ago. But it's so pretty. This is that glam hair, honey. Like face beat, you know, got your glam hair, you know, when you want to, you know, when you feeling extra, just want to be a little extra. Girl, grab your loose deep hair, honey. This is so pretty. So that's a 24-inch. Let me show you guys the 26-inch to kind of compare the length. If you want to know about the hair I got in, girl, just look at my last video. It'll be up before or after this video. Anyway, this is the 26-inch bundle right here. It's pretty long. Really long. I'm saying pretty long. It's really long. 26 inches. That's almost 30 inches. This hair is so long, you guys. Let me compare the 24-inch bundle. 24, 26. The bundle sizes look good. It's not that bad. Sometimes they be looking real small, but when you unravel it, like the wefts are super long. So oh yeah, that's, I don't know if you guys can see that, but definitely this is the 26-inch It's just so curled up and springy. It's hard to tell. Let me see. The curl pattern is exactly the same. The hair feels really good. It smells like hair. It's not a bad smell or anything. But yeah, there you go. It's going to be so pretty with the layers that they sent. I am like so excited about those layers. It's going to be so pretty. This hair looks really nice long, so I'm glad they sent me longer lengths. I've seen some cute short styles too, like the deep side part with like maybe 12 inches. Pretty too. So but yeah, you guys, this is the Malaysian Loose Deep from Lemoda on AliExpress. If you want to check out the hair or, you know, just kind of look around, I'm going to leave the links below, and definitely check out some more videos on this hair. I'll be back soon with the install just so you guys can see the hair in an update. Snapchat will see it first, so if you're not following me, go ahead and do that. Again, you guys, Lemoda hair on AliExpress. I've been reviewing for them for years and they have not let me down. That's why I was so happy to come back and review for them again. Definitely check them out. I wish you guys can feel this hair. It's like super soft, you guys. It's so soft. But anyways, you guys, oh, look at the ends. Look how natural that looks. Ends look so freaking natural and pretty. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know if my camera gonna focus, but the ends look so pretty and natural. Look at that. Look like it's been chopped right off somebody's head. Look at that. So pretty, you guys. Oh, let me show you the closure. I'm about to just go and I ain't even show y'all the closure yet. Hold on, let me show y'all the closure. Okay, so this is the 18-inch closure right here. In the packet, it looked pretty thin to me, but I was like, girl, you so used to wearing frontals, the closures, you know, I just forgot how the closures look. Well, until I got this one, because I'm wearing a closure now. But yeah, I'm so used to like the big frontals, you know. But the closure is, this is how it's looking. This is how the closure looks here. Let me take the net off. It does have some, I believe this one had pre-plucked baby hairs, but we'll see. That tight curl on that closure. Yeah, so it does have pre-plucked baby hairs right here. Hopefully my camera is focusing on that because I really want you guys to see that it's pre-plucked. And that is so good because I know a lot of people, including myself, especially starting out like doing baby hairs, it's kind of difficult to kind of make them, you know. So that's really good that this closure comes pre-plucked. You probably just have to, you know, of course, cut them a little bit, but that's really nice that they did that on the closure. It's a really nice closure, just like a, you know, standard size closure, your normal size here. And it's, the curl pattern is just like the hair. So pretty. I wasn't expecting anything less from this company, you guys. They are really good. They've been in the game a long time, had a lot of chances to, you know, make some changes, upgrade their quality, and I really appreciate that about this company. Really nice. And like I said, I love the fact that the baby hairs are pre-plucked for you. So that is a plus, if anything, you guys. So alright, so that was about it for this video. You guys just stay tuned for the install. It'll be up soon. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.